Hello everyone. Today I'm cutting some blank. I got some big ambrosia with some curly on the ring outside on the sapwood. So I want to take this sapwood to do some a order I got from pepper and salt grinder. So I will need to do some blank. Uh, I start cutting some here. They are very nice. So I'm gonna do a couple blank with my chainsaw. Let's go. So what I do, I cut it into blank, and I will pass it on the skill saw after the BandSaw to make more square and remove maybe the excess brown, or I don't know, to shape it better. And those metal one are not very beautiful. It's just brown wood. They got a nice grain, but not as you can see the white and brown dark with a little bit of curly on the sapwood. And now I got this big burl. It's a cherry burl. It's I don't know, a couple of feet wide, and I don't know how to cut them, to cut the log, and I don't know how to cut it because I don't think the burl is inside the wood, but it's all over the surface until here. So what I thought, it's taking a cut here and try to keep the more of the burl as possible. So I don't know if you can see it very well. But I think oops, sorry. But I think we got some nice sugar inside. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna seal this one because I'm not enough a good turner to turn this now. So I'm gonna keep it for a couple months, I think, until I found something, a project to do with it. So I will seal it with the anchor seal, but it's not the anchor seal brand. It's just a Quebecer brand. and I love to seal this with my hand. And for this one, there's not a lot of burl on this part. As you can see, it's a normal lug. I got this burl too, that I think it's a cherry too, but I'm not really sure because it's old. Yeah, it's cherry. You can see the grain here. That's my blank that I just did. So there's a couple one. I think it will do some nice stuff. I just want to show you, I bought a BandSaw, a Laguna. It's 1412 for resawing some blank. It worked very well. I had some doubt first because the little thing here, it's ceramic. I don't know how to say that in English, but it's a very hard thing. So I was a little bit afraid of that. Some people was telling me that it do some spark and everything, but no, it worked very well. And it's supposed to be 12 inches high, but it's not. It's 13 and a half, close to 13 and a half. And I bought the those blade. It's the name is Resaw King by Laguna. So it's a pretty good blade, but the thing with this blade, it costs a lot. It's $200 here in Quebec for the blade, and the saw, it's $1,700. So with the tax and everything, but for the price, yes, it's a pretty good saw. I bought the little one. It's 110 volts, and you got the motor. The motor, it's 1 3/4 HP. So it's not very big, but it's work well for what I have to do, because I got a chainsaw, so I do a lot of job with chainsaw, but I like to resaw things sometime. So yeah, it worked very well. I didn't try a lot of BandSaw, but I checked a lot of review on the internet about this one, and people was saying that it was a very great BandSaw. So for now, I'm really happy with this. I will show you a little bit more. Got this handle here. You can move down to remove the band on the blade, the pressure on the blade, and it said that you will keep your blade longer if you do that. I don't know. So you put it back if you want to use it. You got this little lock here to lock that thing. It worked very well. Got a little magnetic door here for the blade. It's a big cast iron wheel, very heavy. You got your gauge here. I don't know if you can see it well. And you got a little door here to see, and another door here to see the blade. You got the tensioner here, and there you got your nut there to put the table at a right angle, and this is your tilting. And in that door you got the other wheel with the strap, and you got a little brush here to brush your tire rubber thing, and there's a little plastic thing here to you put it there, and the saw goes on that, and there's a place to plug your blower, not blower, but you know what I mean, little thing to remove the dust. So yeah, it's pretty well made. I like it. I got nothing to do. I got nothing to say nothing to say bad about it yet. I didn't try it a lot. I tried it maybe 20 times yet to do some blank and thing like that, and it worked very, very well compared to my little king here. It was my whole one. I keep it. I got a thin blade on it to do some turning cut. The phone fall on my lathe and broke the glass, and now when I filming you can now you see it flash, but with my eyes it's pretty hard to see something on the screen. So I pay a bunch for that and it broke, so I was pretty mad yesterday. So I took my old phone. I hope the video it's a good quality too, but I maybe not as much as this one. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will be back soon with more video, more project. The summer will come and it will be more easy for me to make video and make stuff, because now we got some snow, ice and rain and everything, so it's not cool. So thank you, and see you very soon. Bye.